How's it going? James with OnlineCarShow. Well, feeling a little nostalgia here. Gone back to the petrol boxes. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright guys, here we go. My petrol box. Really excited. I've already kind of taken a peek in there, and this month is awesome. I usually try to open it up on the video, but being so long since I've had one, I really was you know, wanting to open it up and see. So let's crack this baby open. Alright, and as always, you're greeted with a special thank you and your support from PetrolBox. On the back, you've got a monthly contents, what's exactly in the box. If you want more products or ask questions or whatever from some of these brands, you can do so here or find more information. As you see here on the bottom, they still got the contest going on. If you find one of these, you've won these. And that's a golden ticket, and those are rotiform wheels. So if you find a golden ticket inside your petrol box, you're going to win a set of rotiform wheels for your car. A really cool thing to add there, little extra giveaway with each box, or a chance to win with each box. So let's see what we got here. Immediately I'm greeted with this and had to pick it up. Let's see what this is. Wash Auto, or VV Osh. So it's Wash but with two V's. Autocare.com has premium glass cleaner, and I always like to test this stuff out. Let's see what else we've got here. Oop, a rag to go along with it. I'm guessing this is from the rag company. These guys make the best rags, towels, microfibers, dry towels, whatever for your car. I mean, look at the stitching and weaving on that. I'm guessing this is for glass cleaning. Yep, premium glass towel. We've got a spray nozzle for the glass towel. Ooh, and he usually puts cookie or a candy or something in here. I guess he went healthy on us this month, or switched to healthy, but this still looks good. It's a chocolate brownie Beast Cookie Company Energy Cookie Untamed Energy. So I told the wife we'd split that, see how it tastes. Let's go to here, something that's grabbing attention. Socks, really cool. Heel tread socks. It looks like these are a model of the old GT40 livery that was, you know, the paint on the old GT40 race car. I think that was the Golf car, if I remember right. But so you've got socks to match that car. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. Is there any size on here? I guess not. They're one size fit all, it looks like. Really cool socks there that match the old GT40 livery. And we've got auto erasers. What is this? Instant detailing sponge. Works like magic on rims, wheel wells, windows and trim, rocker panels, interiors, exteriors, and more. Removes black marks, grime, insects, sap, grease, shoe marks, dirt, and more. Oh, really cool. So if you got a you know, bird poop maybe left a spot on your car, I don't know if it's exactly going to take that off, but it might take bugs that are on there heavy, tar from the road. I bet that's what this is for, tar marks and stuff like that, which I don't really have currently on these vehicles. So I may save this for a day when I get a little more tar buildup on the cars, and we'll test it. But that's really cool, really easy. That's a pain in the butt. I've actually gotten questions on comments before on, you know, what do you use to take off tar and bugs. We've got PetrolBox air freshener, green this time. Smells like, I think they all pretty much smell the same, but really like their air fresheners. And when they wear out, you just kind of, I usually use my car spray air freshener and just kind of spray it on there, and it revives it. I've actually got the ones in the Corvette that have been there over a year. Let's see what we got here. eBay Motors. Wow, it looks like, let me see here. Looks like these are actually gift cards for eBay Motors. $30 in gift cards, 15 each. So This box cost us $40 and we got $30 in gift cards for car parts. How about that? Let's see what else. We've got looks like a PetrolBox dog pen. That's awesome. And I'm actually going on vacation and may do a little hiking or kayaking and stuff using the backpack. And I'll probably put this pen on my backpack. Let's see. Ooh, what is this? A socket, 1/4 inch drive, and it's a 10mm. There's kind of an ongoing joke, you know, meme that, and it's true. Probably the majority of the bolts on cars are 10mm nowadays. Your battery bolt, all kinds of stuff. And it's the one you always lose or fall somewhere. You never can find it. So they've been including them in some of the boxes. And let's see what we got here. This is the PetrolBox subscriber of the month. You can go to their website if you're subscribed to PetrolBox, submit a picture of your car and have a chance of getting a magnet with it on it and being the subscriber of the month. This is Andrew Wosner, in April 2022 in his Mustang GT 5.0. Nice car you got there, bud. Looks like a red hood, maybe. Red wheels, Coyote emblem or vinyl on the back. Silver. Nice car. And we've got, I'm guessing this is from, it doesn't say. But these stickers used to be from a guy called Snake Oil Elixir on Instagram, at Snake Oil Elixir. I think these are from him because they're not shiny, non-gloss like his were, matte finish. Really nice stickers. I've got them all over my toolbox and love them. Last but not least, been eyeballing this in the bottom of the box the whole time. We got a sticker here, and it's got a PetrolBox emblem with looks like claw marks on it. I'm intrigued on what this is. What it's gonna have on the back. Oh no! What? It's a Corvette, C4 Corvette. How about that? PetrolBox, you nailed it on the head this time. Best shirt y'all made so far. Not a C6, but y'all got really close. So how about that for a box this month? We've got a Corvette PetrolBox shirt. Got the subscriber of the month, Andrew, and his Mustang GT magnet. We've got eBay Motors, $30 for car parts. We've got air freshener. We've got the auto eraser detailing sponge. We've got socks. So I've got socks and shirt. I've almost got a whole wardrobe off the box. We've got pins. A pen to go for my backpack or a hat or jacket, whatever you want it for. Viper toolbox sticker. Got a 10mm socket that I'm probably missing. We've got the Energy Beast Cookie Company cookie. We've got a glass cleaning towel, glass cleaner, and of course the nozzle for it. So really good month there, PetrolBox. You guys nailed it again. Well, you can see and understand why I've, gone back to PetrolBox. I've really missed it. This is, I guess, my 32nd box I've gotten from the guys' premium box, and it's really easy to get yours own if you want to. Just go out to mypetrolbox.com. On there, you're going to have a couple options. You'll have a box size. This is the premium box you see here. They also have a smaller option. Once you select that, you'll of course be asked your shirt size, your glove size, and also what kind of car enthusiast you are. If you're a JDM guy, a muscle car, Euro car, whatever, you can select it there, and it could affect the contents of the box. It may not, but some months he may split it up to where there's a JDM, a muscle, and a Euro, all getting different stuff based on the car genre. It's a really good box. I highly recommend it. If you haven't got yours, go out to mypetrolbox.com. I have a code in some of my old videos. I'll try to include it below in the description. Also, real quick, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like and also the subscribe. And can't say thank you enough. Hope everybody has a great week.